What is the term for describing action of automatically running scripts on Amazon EC2 instances when launched to install software? So the option we are having: containerization, golden images, workflow automation, bootstrapping. So let's understand one by one. If I talk about the containerization, it's a process where we convert our application in the form of containers. Then we can launch it through we can create these containers through Docker or other container runtime like CRT, and we are having others containerization platform, or we can say the tools. Next, we are having golden images. Golden images are the snapshots of any pre-configured EBS volume that can be launched to launch new instances. If I talk about the workflow automation, it's actually a process, or we can say the orchestrating automated actions. So this is associated with service such as SAP or Puppet, if you heard about it, or in AWS, it is known as AWS Ops Work. So that is known as a workflow automation. Bootstrapping. Yes, bootstrapping is the execution of automated actions to the service like EC2 or any RDS we are having. So the thing is, here they are asking, describing the action of automatically running a script on Amazon EC2 instance when launched to install software. So here our choice will be bootstrapping.